I think I still have about 45-50 kilometers before I reach my final destination. Stay tuned. I got 21 kilometers in, and I do sure have plenty of these rolling hills coming up. There's Timmy over there, but I got my own food, own coffee, own pandesal with chicken, with eggs.
In 200 meters, slight right. On Rotary Greenway Trail for 7 kilometers.
Much better here, safer, smooth pebbles. Written on. I'm the only one a little feeling scary. 10 after 6. ETA is 7:12. About an hour. Whew. Beautiful. It's 20k away. Woo! Am I in Ontario? I'm not sure. It does not feel Ontario at all. Yay! Finally downhill. Woo! Oh. I think I'm arriving at golden hour. Just 5-6 kilometers away. I think so. Bautista.
So too, so I can't remember.
Okay.
Anyway, that's yours.
Yeah.
So we're right here in the parking lot.
Okay.
So that's the road.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna go down. It's the first campsite. You'll see porta potties here.
Okay.
You'll see wilderness labels.
All right.
You're right back in the back where it's most private.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Number 4.
I'm salty. She's
That's okay. I no
licking
wonder
my
why.
Oh, she's licking your leg? Sorry.
No, that's fine. That's fine. I'm salty. That's probably why
yeah,
she like.
I'm sure.
I guess people are coming in now. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's been like this all day. The weekends are the busiest.
It's beautiful. Yeah, it's beautiful.
I suggest hitting the beach when you get settled.
For sure.
You'll probably
Yeah.
need to get in the water.
I'm gonna put my hammock on and make my soup and.
Yeah.